What is the best site to invest in stocks? Silver and gold are the only commodities that can be used as currencies. In fact, before paper currency was invented, these commodities were already being used as instruments of trade and exchange. With the current meltdown of most paper assets and the increasing devaluation of paper currency, silver and gold emerged as the most profitable assets that can resist hyperinflation. So if you want to resist hyperinflation, you should invest your money in stable mining companies such as Silver Wheaton and ABX. Silver Wheaton is the leading mining company that exclusively produces silver. It is the most trusted and highly profitable silver mining company in the world. Silver Wheaton is projecting 23 million ounces of silver sales for the fiscal year 2009. The good news provided by Silver Wheaton is its projection of 30 million ounces of sales by 2013. So just imagine how you can profit from these growth projections when most people will be suffering from the impact of hyperinflation. The exponential growth projection of Silver Wheaton should come without spending additional overhead capital. So this means pure profit taking from the growth of silver production in the next 5 years. On the other hand, you can venture in gold stocks by investing on ABX or Barrick Gold. ABX is the leading producer of gold in the world with an annualized production level of 8 million ounces. ABX Gold is the only mining company in the gold sector with impeccable balance sheet. Its financials stands on solid ground, thus enabling the company to fund its ambitious exploration activities to find new sources of gold. Compared to silver, gold stocks investing have higher rates of growth. The growth potential of the gold sector could effectively shield your money from the destructive impact of hyperinflation. You should take advantage of the lucrative prices of gold now. There are projections that the hyperinflation will set in by year 2010, so you better take refuge in the gold sector when that time comes. Silver and gold are the traditional assets that have remained stable throughout the centuries. That is because these two commodities can be used as monetary units. Silver and gold have enough liquidity and can be traded with other commodities. The values of these natural resources will remain stable even if you divide them into smaller units. Because of these characteristics, silver and gold will forever remain profitable even if all the paper currencies of the world become worthless. As recession heightens, the demand for gold and silver will certainly increase. Thus, your investments in these sectors will certainly become profitable as the global economic downturn worsens. There is no escaping the hyperinflationary trends that will grip the United States in the near future. This bleak scenario will be unstoppable if the current economic managers remain blind to the realities that producing more paper money will only intensify inflation. You cannot do anything about this madness. But this does not mean that you cannot take your money away from paper assets and invest it in hard assets such as silver and gold.